all expansion spokespeople. Makeup that can be referred to. Ideas to increase contrast and structure to keep dry. Net high-level base color can achieve light face. Make it brighter. This makeup is really a must-learn for square mooncakes. A makeup as long as you figure out. Chew his makeup. It's not hard to draw ideas. The base makeup will not be too heavy. So we have to put these in advance. All blemishes and uneven skin tone are retouched to. Like the dullness of the mouth can be used. Use purple to correct and get a wet puff. Go press to pat these places evenly. Liquid foundation, we still choose a shimmer. Feeling flat. Spread over your inner contour and continue with a wet sponge. Pounce to shoot. Because like a wet puff, the base makeup gloss on it will be more. Strong will also look thinner through the opposite side. To transition outward. After changing the width, it is still less powder. At the end of the day, you will have a become natural shadow distinction between light and dark. After the base makeup is done, we will put on the gills again. Because you look closely at this picture, his shadow, the feeling is significantly greater than the blush one's sense of color. So we first use blush as a base and then use eyeshadow to press. Pick one of these gray-pink from Zygomatic. The highest point of the bone starts to go inside first, and then the successful transition may be due to his skeleton. It's so good that the blush looks all is that kind of line. Sync, so the range of blush should not be too open-faced. Side this whole thing. Can bring a little, but the color must be light. I think Zhang Jing's forehead is long. Very pretty. It has two very distinct frontal basis knot manifestations. Point, so we are outside this performance point. Side, to draw. The shadow and then its eyebrows and eyes are very three-dimensional. High brow tail here, we connect it directly to his eyebrows. The triangle between the eyebrows is a little narrower. There is another very important position in the hole. Below the bow, you can draw here. Take a small brush for the two shadows first. All the shadows of the range are swept away. Then, take big brush to faint this large area of it. Frontal nodules here are dizzy to the outer contour point. Side. We pull it up to remove smudging. You can pass it a little in the face. A little. Look here, there is this natural shadow is sunken. After to add twice, dark with a piece of bronze of this lighter color, the entire outer contour of the paste is swept into the bag, including the place where the blush was just applied. Go and press it. 4. Him jawline is close here with this jaw line to deepen a little. Blush here to remember. Press this bronze paste. It's very light in color, so such a large area. It won't be dirty at all when you go to sweep it, but some are just that natural shadow setting. Don't be too dumb. I can't. The product of choice is one of this metabolic flash powder. Another powder is this kind of metabolic flash honey powder. You can see his face in such a blurry situation. There is that kind of light feeling, so we don't. Suitable to press with special matte powder. Choose this light transmitting honey powder to achieve this very clean base color. Can be dumb. Next, highlights of light to brighten eyebrows. The heart triangle connected here, eyebrow arc, afraid of eyebrows. Very standing. How can someone's bone statue look like a t-shirt? Slide down, just eyebrow, eye. The front eyebrow bone here is the bulge. We are repairing. In fact, is to highlight his structure. It may take a long time. A little, because this step is drawn. Next steps. It's all very simple. Let's draw the eyebrows. Everyone's suitable eyebrow shape is different. It doesn't mean you have to be exactly like him. The characteristic of his eyebrows is the eyebrows. Peak is more reliable. The back arc is not that curved. Then we can, according to our eyebrow shape, just draw this feature. Take a big brush to sweep all the bases of the eyebrows. The eyebrows drawn by the big brush may be more wider, is more meat this makeup needs. The kind of feature that paints a bright feeling. This is my original eyebrow. So a little back a mile or 2 meters starts from this ground, draw diagonally down. No matter how slippery the eyebrow curvature, it must be consistent with this shadow. Form a package. Feel the depth of the eyebrows on both sides. Moment. It's different. Okay, the hardest part is all ready. It's all over. Let's draw eyes. Take one of these built for makeup. This gray apricot color. Connect the front and rear grooming places. But to